Hello, dear students. Hope that you all would be doing good. Students, let's start in the name of God, the most merciful and gracious. Students, in today's class, you are going to learn about the use of about to. So, for learning about to, there are some questions which are very necessary to know. The first question is, what does I am about to mean? The second question is about to informal? The third question is about to versus is going to? The fourth and the last question is, what is meant by about to? Students, let's have a look at the first question. That is, what does I am about to mean? It's similar to I am going to, but it means that I am going to do something in the very near future. That is probably the next thing that I am going to do. For example, I am about to leave has a similar meaning to I am on my way out the door. So let's have a look on second question. That is about to informal. We use it with friends, children and relatives. Now have a look on verbs. First of all, informal. That is, it's about, need to, think about, get. Formal. It concerns, it's in regards to, required, consider, obtain. Students, let's have a look on third question. That is about to versus is going to. To be about to do something is a pretty immediate action, moments away from happening. If you are going to do something, it could be in a moment or in a matter of days or weeks. Going to just shows your intention to do the thing. About to shows both the intention and the time reference. So let's now have a look on last question, that is, what is meant by about to? If you are about to do something, you are going to do it very soon. If something is about to happen, it will happen very soon. For example, I think he is about to leave. Students, we use about to when we are talking about something we will do very soon in the future. For example, I am about to learn English. Do you think this sentence is about the past, the present, or the future? If you said this is about the future, you are correct. So, I am about to give you some examples of about to. But before that, I want to tell you about the formula and identification in Urdu about to. This formula for about to is subject plus is slash am slash are plus about to plus verbs first form plus object. Identification in Urdu is वाला है, वाली है, वाले हैं, वाला हूँ. Students, let's see how to make sentences about to. The first sentence is, we are about to win the cricket match. हम क्रिकेट मैच जीतने ही वाले हैं. The second sentence is, they are about to arrive Karachi. वो कराची पहुंचने ही वाले हैं. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज यू आर अबाउट टू लर्न इंग्लिश. तुम अंग्रेजी सीखने ही वाले हो. आई एम अबाउट टू हेल्प यू. मैं आपकी मदद करने ही वाला हूँ. राशिद इज अबाउट टू सेट आउट फॉर अमेरिका. राशिद अमेरिका के लिए रवाना होने ही वाला है. द मैसन्स आर अबाउट टू बिल्ड द हाउस. मामार मकान बनाने ही वाले हैं. लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. आई एम नॉट अबाउट टू गो. मैं जाने वाला नहीं हूँ. ही इज़ नॉट अबाउट टू लिव हियर. वो यहाँ नहीं रहने वाला है. इमरान इज़ नॉट अबाउट टू स्ट्रगल. इमरान जदोजहद करने वाला नहीं है. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. इज़ द पुलिस अबाउट टू अरेस्ट हिम. क्या पुलिस उसे गिरफ्तार करने ही वाली है. इज़ ही अबाउट टू फाइंड अस. क्या वो हमें ढूंढने ही वाला है. इज़ आमिर अबाउट टू गेट अप. क्या आमिर उठने ही वाला है. इज़ इट अबाउट टू रेन. क्या बारिश होने ही वाली है. Students, it was all about the use of about to. I hope that you enjoyed it and you found it helpful. Let's see in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your beloved one. Keep on learning English with e.English. God bless you. Bye bye.